Okay, here's a problem where we're going to find the final amount if we're given an original amount, and then either we're going to take a percentage increase or a percentage decrease. So let's say if it's an increase, it might be a markup, right? You want to sell something for a profit, so you're going to increase the percentage of the original amount. Or if you're going to decrease, percentage decrease means maybe something goes on sale, so you're going to mark something down. Okay, so let's take a look at this problem. It says the next model of a sports car will cost 5.9% more than the current model. If the current model costs $54,000, how much will the price increase in dollars? And then the second part of it is what will the price be? What will be the price of the new model, the next model? Okay, so the first thing we want to do is find out how much it's going to increase. So it's going to be 5.9% more, right? So we'll say, so it's 5.9% more, right, of the original or the current model. So let's change 5.9% to a decimal. Remember, we moved that 2 places to the left. So we have 0.059 times the original, or the current, which is $54,000. So that's going to give us is the increase. So we can do a straight multiplication. We have 54,000, and we're going to multiply it, that's a comma there, we're going to multiply it by 0.059, and we could do this the long way, and I'll show you a little shortcut. So 9 times 0, 0, 0, 9 times 4 is 36, carry the 3, 9 times 5 is 45, 45 plus 3 is 48. Next one, 5 is 0, 0, 0. 5 times 4 is 20, carry the 2. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 2, you get 27. So I have 0, 0, 0, 6, 8, 11, 3. And I have 3 places behind the decimal, so I move it back 1, 2, 3 places. And I get $3,186. So that's $3,186. So it's going to increase by 3,186. So that's my increase. Another way to have done this multiplication, so if I notice that I have something like 54,000, let's just think about this before I work on the next part of the problem. I have 54,000 times 0.059. So if I look at this number here, I can take my decimal place and I can move it back 3 places, which means I can move my decimal place here 3 places. So it becomes 54 times 59. And if we multiplied it out, we would get the same number. 54 is 36, 48, 20, 27, and I simply have 6, 8, 1, 3. So that's the same number. Okay, anyway, so let's go back to our previous problem. So it says now what's the price of the next model? Well, the price of next model is going to equal the current price plus the increase. Right? So our next model is going to be our current price, which is $54,000 plus $3,186. So again, if I do the math here, 54,000 plus 3,186, 68175. So I get, so my new model is going to be $57,186. Right, so my new price is, whoops, my new price is going to be $57,186.